Toppings, if you want me, better pay me card.
Yeah. Dot turn up shit, blood up, lift every gun up. Grave dig, clats, mud up, head a drop, voodoo.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. And I'm back with another video for you guys. Right now, we're going back at Grenada, people. The song released like G.L.R 2. You see me? And the viewers have been recommending it. And you know, so once I see you recommending it the way I want to see you recommending it the right way. Because someone have a style, you know. Me not like it. I don't know, I'm vexed, you know, see no comment over, so I'm vexed. I definitely not realize that. But right now, but a Brighta style, we have Flex G.L.R. Extra toppings. When I think about extra toppings, you know what? Like the video, comment and leave it to see your comment in the next video that I post. Grenada, lucky, run tune. Disclaimer: everything fake. No weapons are real.
Yeah, Brighta. Yeah. Them couldn't try for this decline. Cause shot a beat and them head like Trini steel pan. Me like a fat pocket full of bands. No jaws and she bring the fat pussy for the tan. Them a walk over, pedestrian.
She bring the what?
Yeah, Brighta. Yeah. Them couldn't try for this decline. Cause shot a beat and them head like Trini steel pan. Me like a fat pocket full of bands.
Soca time is coming soon. You ready for soca? Starting right after. Alright.
And she bring the fat pussy for the tan. Them a walk over, pedestrian. Left them all up on the street like them a Christian. Extra toppings, and then know my dog. Me do the chuckings, if you want me, better pay me card.
Yeah. Dot turn up shit, blood up, lift every gun up. Grave dig, clats, mud up, head a drop, voodoo. Blade rise like sun up, with the fuck do you liters of blood, it run out when you get caught up. Head on up, body add up, we no tip, pad up. Ring, get up, head still a get.
Give me a different style now. Yo, pull up. Brightest time, name people. Put them on. Oh, watch your style.
Them a walk over, pedestrian. Left them all up on the street like them a Christian. Extra toppings, and then know my dog. Me do the chuckings, if you want me, better pay me card.
Dot turn up shit, blood up, lift every gun up. Grave dig, clats, mud up, head a drop, voodoo. Blade rise like sun up, with the fuck do you liters of blood, it run out when you get caught up. Head on up, body add up, we no tip, pad up. Ring, get up, head still a get bag up. Crush road like Saddles, flow sick, mouse in a dead trap, innocent
we
get
like extra toppings. When they head out for the fourth dog.
People, the song called Extra Toppings. People, Grenada, lock in. Run tune.
We got extra machines. If them want play the full dog, them don't know we have the knowledge. Me hear them all a dance, we a go lock it.
That song you straight eat. May I pull up back your verse, dog. Don't say less, dog. But that song it on them vibe. That song it on the vibe, yeah. Heat. Go on.
If them want play the full dog,
Coming now.
them don't know we have the knowledge. Me hear them all a dance, we a go lock it. Fi make man disappear like magic. I know me say full of style like watch it. Watch out, chop them up like them a damn cabbage. Knock it and knock it and knock it. Knock it and knock it and knock it. Knock it and knock it and knock it. Knock it and knock it and knock it.
More than convoy today. Today's a fucking day.
You see me in the video to Bumbleclip. What more you can ask for? People, this one is called Flex G.L.R. Song called Extra Toppings. You can find it on Noah X YouTube channel. Noah X Productions on YouTube. You see me? Straight out of Grenada. And that they represent for right now. If that's how your bad man wants to be a fair emoji in the comment section. And the video if you have 500 likes right now. If the song this video supposed to have 500 likes. So if you watch the video, don't like the video yet, like the video now. Song bad, song deserve the attention, and the like button I will give the attention. Like the video, so more people can see the video. Grenada, lock in. Run through.
Come, I don't want this extra topic. Open this machine right now. Fucker like you. We'll beat you up today, man.
Earn money, you
Don't worry
thing
yourself.
like that.
Give me that belly too.
How put the money on the wall?
Pass everything. Yeah. Extra toppings. And you know what going on now? You know what going on now? You know what going on? My brother just show me a little new.
I get wrapped for a man.
What the fuck are you? Let me see. Give me anything. Any fuck, just pass it.
One ice cream and a
Yes. 20s, 10s, coins, 10 cents, everything. Extra toppings. Take a
Everything. Extra toppings. What are them? Go on.
Shoot you fast right there. Look at me now. You know me? No. You don't know me? Smart. If you only say, boss it.
Look at me. You know me? You better know me. Man, the reaction boss. Go. Yo, people. The energy is back. You know why? We hit 40,000 subscribers before December the 31st. Yo, I truly didn't even know I'm happy. Really appreciate the support. Oh, Lord. I really appreciate the support y'all giving to me, dog. Like, thank y'all very, very much for the love and the support. The Russian Boss Family just expand right now. We're expanding right now. As you can see, we're doing more than just reactions because y'all need to be entertained some more too. But the reactions are still there. January 1st.
Drag boy to hell, stuff shot in a big head. Separate the fuse from the mother con grenade.
Yeah.
Tune them body with the steel and cement. Cleanse them soul,
We
dead
like
before
extra
repent.
toppings.
What I would like to know, Pat, what I would like to know is Brighta Star, where you have so much different flow, where you get so much different bumbucklad flow from, bro, God? Make me know that go. I'll go on with the hairstyle of this. Girl, man. Go on.
We got the extra machines. If them want play the full dog, them don't know we have the knowledge.
Them don't know.
We hear them all a dance, we a go lock it.
Alright.
See me make man disappear like magic.
That's with them.
I know me chef full of style like watch it. Watch out, chop them up like them a damn cabbage.
Put a hand up, clip long up, boy dead, turn up. In a head shot, slam up, blade a swing, hammer. Heavy impact, left head back, full up. Green spot anyway, nozzle can pull up. Berry boy any day, caps can pull up. Elephantitis, all them foot swell up. Killers we know mass when the van pull up. 9x, 19,
We got the
everything's well
extra
up.
toppings. When me head out for the food dog, we got the extra machines. If them want play the full dog, them don't know we have the knowledge. Me hear them all a dance, we a go lock it. Fi make man disappear like magic. I know me chef full of style like watch it. Watch out, chop them up like them a damn cabbage.
Extra topping.
Them don't know we have the knowledge. Me hear them all a dance, we a go lock it. Fi make man disappear like magic. I know me chef full of style like
Alright,
magic.
pretty
Watch out,
Grenada.
chop
I'm not going to that one for deal with for me. This is what I want to see next time. No. This is what I want to see next from Grenada. I want some big body girl in our video at work. We need to see that. We need a girl song now. You see me? We get the blade, we get the gun. You see me? I say, if there is well, me not talk soca. Not talking soca. You see me? I talk dancehall, girl song, girl with the big body I go on bad. Yeah. You see me? So the man them, and the ex team. See what I go on. Or if there's one out already, drop it down below in the comment section. You know I'm go already, you know, people don't run for the truck, you know. You see me? Russian Boss signing out.